Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, my wife and I are thrilled to share our experiences with you in this Christian Life program. As a couple, we've learned that walking with God together has brought us closer to each other, and we've discovered that sharing our faith journey has deepened our understanding of each other's strengths and weaknesses. We've learned to support each other's spiritual growth, to pray together, and to seek God's guidance in our relationship.
Through this program, we gain valuable insights into building a Christ-centered marriage. We learn to communicate more effectively, to forgive and understand each other better, and to serve each other selflessly. One of the most significant experiences we share in our journey as a couple, we gain family, we understand more about faith, trust, and love to our God. Having a family in this community is a big blessing to us as we journey along with our daughter.
We want to encourage you to share your own experiences as a couple in this Christian Life program. Be vulnerable, be open, be willing to learn from each other. You'll be amazed at how God can use your relationship to grow your faith and deepen your love for each other. The Christian Life program is not just about individual growth, but also about building each other up in our faith. Let's support and encourage each other on this journey, and may our relationships be a testament to God's love and grace. Thank you. For all updates, may God be praised.